Hello everyone, I'm here again. Let me quickly show you how to add your WhatsApp button to your Instagram page. So when a customer clicks on it, it will take them directly from your Instagram to your WhatsApp. To do that, let us open our Instagram, go to our profile and click on edit profile. From edit profile, you choose contact option. Contact option. From there, we are dealing with WhatsApp business phone number. As you can see, you can also add other options, but we are dealing with WhatsApp business now. So I will enter my WhatsApp number. Note you must have a WhatsApp business. You click on send code. A code will be sent to your WhatsApp. You copy the code and you paste it there. Ignore this because I'm not ready to boost. Then you check the display contact phone number. You can see you can add other email, you can add other contacts like email, phone number, and the rest, but I'm dealing with WhatsApp here. You can also add anything of your choice, anything you want to display. So this is it. As you can see on my profile now, I have my contacts. So when I click on my contact, these are the three things I want to show, which is you can call me directly, you can email me, and you can WhatsApp me. You can decide to remove any of these. You can decide to display only your WhatsApp. You can decide to add, you can also add your business address to it. It is also contact. So you can decide to add any of these things. So I'm clicking on my WhatsApp now. So as you can see, it has taken me directly to my WhatsApp business. So any customer doing that will just chat me up and do whatever and ask whatever or make inquiry. Then we'll start talking about business. So that is that about adding your profile to it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you